ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇದು ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. I'm not going to upload this video in YouTube, but here it's initial try that I just want to know how better we edit and how better we make it more interesting and more interactive. ಈಗ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ and later on I'll edit it. Background, I think it takes 2 or 3 days time to edit and make it more attractive and professional. So after that, once we have done with I think 5 to 10 videos, then we will definitely upload it on YouTube. And the first purpose of me shooting this video and what I want to communicate is that this is the first time and we have reached 180 students including both the branches. That too, we have reached this number within 10 days of span. And as you all know that our mission is 250 and I'm working really hard, and I also thankful to all the teachers and my non-teaching staff because of your great support and contribution that I'm doing good and we all are doing good. And as far as the institution is concerned, I'm much more thankful to all the teachers because students have accepted you and parents believe you. When people accept and believe us, it is not that we can settle, no, but here only the actual picture comes in where our responsibility have increased and we got to work more better for the students' career as far as our teaching service is concerned. And one teacher can be more happier when their children perform much better. So hopefully now ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, as far as ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ, I think it's a very great opportunity for us to come out with a brand where it is not just we should limit our student, it is new, because when you all have very great ideas and knowledge, and let us try exploring it. And ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. As far as my institution concerned, it is also doing better as far as brand is concerned, and we can grow much more faster and our reach will be much more higher than what we have now. And ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ 200. ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಅಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೊಸ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋರು Arun sir, Mahesh sir, Mahantesh sir, Girish sir, Umesh sir, and I think all of them are very much interested, and even I'm very much eager to shoot these kind of videos and upload into our website as well as YouTube. Huge credits to all my supporters, my family, and Suryakant ji, Bharat sir, first all my teaching staff. Apart from teaching, now ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ಆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು great factor ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು. Let's hope so we'll carry the same and can perform better. And if this video is good, then let me know. If we need any more improvement, then definitely I'll work on it. We all will work together. I always believe in one thing, that when beautiful minds come together, they always make wonder, and this is how you can see the result. I mean, now almost all are very much excited, and this is how it's going on. Hopefully down the line 5 years Gulbargadalli the most popular institution ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಗುರಿ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ support and contribution in the definitely now successful ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು hope and definitely ಆಗೇ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. Thank you very much.